Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. And we are doing some homeschooling this morning. We start at 9 and we end at about 11. Yeah. So depending on how fast he goes. We have our whole table set up here. And today we're going to talk about where we live, breaking it down from all the way from the earth down to our house. So that should be fun.
And we're going to cover the earth and we're going to cover the house.
And we're going to sort it. Do this sorting game and a sight word bingo game.
And we're going to get a grill.
We have glue. And we already had breakfast, and this is what I'm making for dinner tonight. Keep doing your math.
Okay?
And I took a pork butt and I stuck it in the Ninja.
Whoa.
And put this stuff on it, Cuban style orange citrus. And I put it on for 6 hours and it should be done. I'll shred it all up and we'll get to that later. And since we're on the cooking topic, here was our breakfast. We did avocado toast, which was just toast with mashed avocado, over easy egg, and a balsamic drizzle with some sliced tomatoes. So what did you make, buddy?
Maricopa place and Arizona place.
Okay, so what's the first one? Where do you live?
I live in a house, and it says Starlight Drive.
That's your street?
And this city, this is Maricopa, and this is Arizona.
That's our state.
And we live right here.
Yeah.
And this is
our country.
What this is.
What does it say?
United States of America.
Good job. And this is our continent.
This is our continent.
And what is it called? North
America.
Good job.
And we live in the earth. And we live in
the earth. And that is our
planet.
Good job. Did you like doing that?
Yeah. You won.
Okay. What's the word?
Not.
We are doing sight word bingo with fruit snacks.
Where's not?
Not.
Did I have not? Nope, I don't have.
You don't have not?
No.
I don't think I do either.
We don't.
No, neither. Oh, I do. Right there.
You get it, buddy. I won.
You won it?
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, wait. Money, you need to get one more left, and you need one.
That's okay. You won this time. I won one, and you won one. Good job, buddy.
I got 1 point.
So he's all done with school, and at our school, they're giving out free breakfast and lunch curbside. So this is what we got today. He got some donuts. He got milk. He got some cherry applesauce. And then they put it in this bag. He got Doritos. He got a corn dog.
Wait, a corn dog?
He got chocolate milk. Chocolate. He got peaches.
And I got...
And celery sticks.
Wait.
And mustard. And mustard to go with your corn dog. What? Mustard?
I don't like...
Let's be silly.
I don't like...
And ketchup. That's ketchup, actually.
Yeah.
Who eats corn dogs with ketchup?
Nobody does.
No.
Nobody. So while Jacob we're putting Frozen 2 on?
Yep.
For the 100th time? Yep. He's going to have some popcorn. Yep. We made some Pop Secret, which is actually the popcorn that they serve at Disney. And we're going to put it in our Disney bucket.
Yep.
All right.
And we're going to watch Disney Plus.
And we're going to watch Disney Plus, Frozen 2.
Yep. Wait.
And here's your popcorn, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. And while he's occupied with that, we are going to, I like to add these poblano chilies into the, I guess I'm going to call it carnitas, but, and so I have this on the broil setting. I put olive oil in there. Ooh, it might be a little too big to go in there. I might have to break it a little bit so it can fit. And that will broil the skin a little bit, and then I'll put it on in like a Tupperware container, and that will allow the skin to steam off. This is doing really good. Ooh, we got steamy. Almost shredding time. We've got 2 hours and 22 minutes left, and we'll heat up some tortillas over there after we shred it right there. And then I'm gonna get ready to put some onions in there as well. Should be pretty tasty. Oh. So as you can see, it seared the skin really good. So we're going to do like this. Oopsies. Do like this, and should use some tongs. And I'm gonna stuff it in a Tupperware container, lid on, and that'll make it super easy to peel that skin off. If you don't do that, the skin is pretty bitter, and you just don't like that taste. Poblano chilies are not necessarily hot, but they're more like smoky, so it'll give a nice flavor to it. And as you can see, our kitchen is kind of a mess. We go through a ton of produce. I love fresh produce. We have all these lemons and limes and carrots. I'm gonna have to do something with those soon because they're pretty much on their last leg. Oranges and tangerines and grapefruit, peppers and bananas and tomatoes. Every month here in town, they have what's called a powwow Borderlands market. And it's 72 pounds of fresh produce that was rescued from farms that might otherwise end up in a landfill. And it's such a shame that would happen, you know? It's like, to me, wasting is just a sin. So it's $10 for that. And they actually have it every week. And it's in different locations. So if you ever want to check that out, it's called Powwow Borderlands. And it's an awesome cause. It's an awesome company. You get tons of fresh produce. I make a lot of my tomato sauce from that Jacob loves to eat. So we don't buy a whole lot of jarred tomato sauce. And I find recipes to do different things. And to me, that's fun. So see how these will literally, I've already started, so I've got to pick another area. This will literally peel the skin right off after it's been steaming in there a bit. Be careful because it'll still be hot, but there we go. That'll get rid of any kind of bitterness that outer skin has. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to get every little piece. And then you take it over here and just give it a good chop, and I'm going to add that to the pot. So I decided to do something with those carrots that I told you were pretty much on their last leg. I pickled them. It's like a spicy pickling mixture. So I used, I think it was 3 cups of white vinegar and 1 cup of sugar and 1.5 cups water. And I brought that to a boil. And I chopped up the carrots. I had some jalapenos already chopped up, and I have a ton of garlic too, so that worked out perfectly. Put that all in a jar and just pour the mixture over it. It's super easy. It'll be tasty, you know, to have with sandwiches or whatever. All right, it's got about 25 minutes left, and as you can see, I can just take tongs, and it pretty much just comes right off the bone. And the rest of the time will just be for it to get all that good citrus marinade in there. I might even put it on for a half an hour longer to get all the flavors to meld together. And then when it's done, I will show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually take it and put it in a pan and fry it a little bit so that it gets a little crispy on the edges and doesn't have that like slow cooker taste that sometimes meat can, not taste, but like texture that sometimes meat can get that I don't really like. And that just lets it be nice and crispy. Alright guys, I had a can of black beans and I actually made it more like Mexican style. I put some oil in the pan and I softened up some jalapenos and peppers and onions, and I drained the black beans. They were canned. I drained them, and I added also some cumin, some oregano, and some chicken bouillon and some water. So now it's been simmering like that for a while. I am frying up the carnitas and the poblano peppers, getting a little crisp on them, and warming up the tortillas. Got a couple of flour left. I figure use what you can in quarantine, right? Use what you got. So you don't have to go back out. We do have a lot more tortillas, but I mean, as every good Mexican household, you have lots of tortillas, right? Alright. I will show you the finished product in just a couple minutes. So what I'm making now is some chipotle lime crema. And basically, it is sour cream. I spilled a little bit. Sour cream and lime juice and chipotles and adobo sauce. And it is amazing. It really just like elevates food to the next level. It gives the chipotle peppers give a nice smoky heat. A little bit of ground pepper in there as well. And the finished product, we put some cabbage on there, squirt of lime juice, the cilantro lime crema. Is it good? Delicious? Mm-hmm. You dancing?
Can I dance?
Mm-hmm. Are we watching the fireworks? Whoa! We gotta keep the magic alive, right, buddy?
Yeah, look at me.
I see you.
We just see how it was. Oh my god, that was awesome. Is there Coach 3 on there?
Not yet. That's Ariel.
There's mermaid.
Yeah.
Oh, she's floating up in her castle. Nice.
Here it comes.
Oh my gosh, it's so loud.
I know.
My sister. Oh my gosh.
Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up
and make sure to hit that subscribe button.
and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Also, don't forget to subscribe of the channel.
And what's our channel? The Three Mouseketeers.
And we
What do you say? See you real soon.
See you later, alligator.